I will look away. All right? Okay. Fair?
Yes.
All right. Look, I will put the other deck away. I mean, you shuffle the deck. You took any card. Fair?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't see your card. I didn't see these cards. Fair. Okay. Now you can help me. I will try to find your card. Okay. Just try to concentrate on your card, please. If I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. That I don't go in the wrong direction. But I have the feeling your card is not black. That is red. Am I close? I mean, this is okay?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. It's red, so okay. I had 50-50% here, the choice, and I won. But if I say that your card, try to give it to me. Don't say it, but it's hearts.
Yes.
Okay, and your card is like it's not a picture card. It's one number, and must be because I have this feeling of parallel. Just a second. Your card is hearts, and you think of this number. Can you touch me like 6?
Yes.
6 of hearts? No, really. Come on.
Yes.
6 of hearts. Srce, pik, črt, pik. Pik.
A kako je znam? Kako nogami?
Primeš tako za prst. Primeš prst.
Daj mi palec.
Misli na svojo karto, misli. Nataša misli na karto, pik. Dama.